instruction?
Next instruction says press open center back seam.
You can finger press it open.
Oh, so you're just opening this.
Yep.
Okay. Fold waistband in half and pin it notches. Huh?
Fold that in half.
Oh, so I got that pin like that, and then I fold this like this.
Yes, perfect.
Oh, just like the picture.
Yeah, oopsie.
So you just, whoops.
But you need to pin it so that it stays in place.
Oh, that's why you pin it. Okay, because otherwise, that's tough. Let's see. I'm going to try to do it according to the picture here. So we do that and
pin at the notches.
Oh, pin at the notches. That's what it said.
And there should be a notch at the top and the bottom. Are they matching?
Oh. Yep.
Okay. Go to your next notch.
Ah, look at there. There's a notch on that side and a notch on that side. Oops, pinned too much. I had a piece of the other end of the fabric pinned in there. Okay, so we find another notch. There we go. Notch on that side, notch on that side.
Missed that one.
Huh?
I missed a second notch because I have it zoomed in.
Well, I'll do it again. There's full waistband in half and pin it notches. There's only the 3 notches?
In the center back, there's a notch too.
You know, and this one wasn't perfect, so I'm going to do that. You can see the little notch right there.
Okay.
And
oopsie, wait, let me see.
This is kind of hard to see. Do that again. There's a notch right here, a little black notch, and there's a notch right there.
Okay, perfect.
So that's what we're lining up. Oops. You wouldn't think this pinning stuff is so tough. I'm just... And then there's one in the... Whoop. It's a delicate little guy. Well, there's 2 of them here.
Yes, one on the top and one on the bottom. Just pin it up. And the seam should meet.
Okay.
And that's your center back.
And I do one on each side?
No, there should only be one.
It's like right next to the seam there.
Yep, right there. That's perfect. Center back.
Okay.
All right. And that was your instruction number 6.
That's number 6, fold waistband in half and pin it notches. Okay, somebody knows what they're doing. That's not going to take near as long as what I just did.